In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country on the Google Play Store. I've actually tested this myself and this is going to work out. So let's just jump into this right away. All I want to say before we get into this, if this helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video and comment down below that this actually works so that you can help other people as well. Now, first of all, you want to open the Google Play Store, and if we just click on the menu and if I go to account, and then if I just scroll down, you'll see that there is no option to actually change my country. So if I click on learn more, it's actually going to show me how I can actually change the country. So by doing that, you'll actually understand why this won't work normally and why you actually need this trick. So you need to click on account, country, and profiles, and then you can actually change the account, right? But you can only do that if you're in a different country or if you have a different IP address, and for that you need to be in another country. So if you're not in another country, you cannot do this, right? So if I click right there, you'll see that. You may have not seen this option if you have changed your country within the last year, you aren't currently in a new country, so you need to be in a new country. And for that, you can actually use a VPN. I actually found a free VPN that you can use. So if I just click on VPN, if I just scroll down, I'm going to click right there. I'm going to install this one. So make sure you go ahead and download this app right now. And then once it's installed, I will actually show you what you need to do next, because downloading a VPN won't fix the issue. You actually need a few different steps as well. So I'm just going to wait for my VPN to install, and then I'll get back to you once I can open the VPN. So right there, I can actually open the VPN. Next up, you want to click on get started, and you want to select the country that you actually want to switch to. So I'm just going to select the United States right there. And then I'm going to click on tap to connect, which you should do as well. Click on OK. And then right there, you're going to get a bunch of ads simply because this is a free VPN. But don't worry, you only need this for like a few minutes. So right now it's connecting to the server in the United States. And once I'm actually connected to a server, I can then switch my country from the Netherlands to the United States, and I'll show you how you can do that. And you can do this with any country. So if I just click on select a server, I can also connect to France or Spain or whatever, okay? So let me just do Spain for this video. Click on tap to connect. Once again, you're gonna get an ad. And then as you can see right there, I'm now connected to Spain. So next up, I'm gonna go back to the Google Play Store. I'm gonna go to my account. So click on the menu, click on account. And then if I scroll down, you will see it says switch to Spain Play Store. Now to prove that this actually works, I'm just going to do this one more time with a different country. So let me just click on this. Let me get rid of all of these ads. Let me disconnect right now. Let me get rid of this ad. So like I said, you're going to get a bunch of ads. There you go again. But you only need this for a few minutes. So I'm going to go with Italy. Click on tap to connect. Another ad. Get rid of that. It's connecting, and there you go. So right now I'm going to close the Play Store tab, and then I'm going to open the Google Play Store again just to show you guys that this actually works. Now you want to click on account, you want to scroll down again, and it will say switch to the Italy Play Store. There you go. And for that, you actually need to add PayPal. You need to add my Paysafe card, Telfar billing, or a credit or debit card so that you can actually change. So I have PayPal, and then there you go. Change your Google Play country to Italy. You won't be able to use your current payment methods or play balance, and you can change your country again for the next 365 days. This can take up to 84 hours to complete. Until then, you might not see prices in the new currency or be able to make purchases. You want to click on continue, and then right there, you actually want to enter your PayPal email address. And by clicking on allow, you will actually switch the country to Italy. And you can do this with any country that's available on the VPN. Now, I'm not going to do this since I don't want to change my country, because then I won't be able to do this again for the next 365 days. But you want to like simply add PayPal or any of these other options. So you can also add a debit or credit card. And by doing that, you can actually switch the country to whatever you want, okay? Now, if this works, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. That would help me out in the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.